discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, I changed it up since last time.
So you've done, was the last one a 4th order too?
6th order.
6th order, okay.
Yeah. Last time was there, all subs were on that side of the wall there.
Nice.
I just got finished up the other day, so I haven't even got the braces put in yet.
Okay.
So it's kind of beating the roof apart.
Did you use the outside shell and just
the shells have always been the same,
okay,
except for this side over here. So this side I added like stacked 2x4s for the last build. Stacked 2x4s and then a sheet of plywood. So it's like you can hit it with sledgehammer.
Oh man, oh yeah.
We had to saw a lot apart just to get it to move.
Wow.
I used to forklift at work to try and pull the back wall off, and we just drug the truck backwards.
That's crazy. Awesome. So what else in here equipment wise?
6 SoundCube HDX 315s,
Okay.
Terra amps 15K, bass 15K, 108 amp hours of Lishons, and CES 390 amp alternator.
Okay.
And then I got Scar Neos in the doors.
Alright. Nice. Is this what kind of ratio 4th order tuning and all that on?
2.5 to 1. It's a little bit big on the sealed side, then boarded bigger than that, of course. But
what's your sealed section size? Per sub or, you know?
Sealed is 1.98 is what it calculates down to, I guess, after displacement and whatnot.
Yeah.
So,
that is a little big for the 15, but
yeah, I was like 1.64 in the last build, and I was choking it off too much, so I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and see what it does. And now, I mean, I've been playing for a while, and they're barely even warm, so.
Yes, sir. Definitely having the port like this instead of before, I guess it had a little bit more pressure.
Remember, I had the window in there too.
Yeah.
So I was like choked off because my seat was basically inside
Yes,
the wall.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice job. Thank you very much.
Yes, indeed. Appreciate
Is the
it,
back
man.
open? Can I sit down?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Ooh. What was your SPL score you said on this? Have you tested it yet?
157 and 41 hertz on music.
Okay. Nice job.
Yeah, it looks cool at nighttime.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure.
Get your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? You got nothing but time. As long as you ride here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be. My heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of the fake. Show me what you're made of, baby, Be-Bebe. Hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful? And it's easy to say. If it's meant to be.
like this instead of before. I guess it had a little bit more pressure.
Well, remember I had the window in there too.
Yeah.
So it was like choked off because my seat was basically inside
Yes,
the
sir.
wall. Yes, sir.
Nice job. Thank you very much.
Yes, indeed.